Dad.
How much?
It's not about money, Dad.
My daughter doesn't want money.
Daddy, I want money. I always want money, but that's not why I'm here.
So why are you here?
I need your advice.
Shoot.
My friend got 2 marriage proposals, but she doesn't know which one to accept.
How old is this, your friend?
She's 22 years old, Dad.
At that age, isn't she too young to be considering marriage?
Same thing I thought, but she's already made up her mind. All she needs now is just advice on who to accept his proposal.
So she's dating the 2 men?
Yes, sort of, I guess.
Tayo, that's not the kind of friend I want you to have.
Dad, we're not close at all, so you don't have to worry about that.
Personally, I think people should only get married if they love each other. Call me old school if you wish, but I'm of the opinion that if a lady can decide amongst 2 men, she doesn't love either of them.
Oh no, Dad, she does. Just that one just got a job as a doctor and he isn't really earning much. But Tom, on the other hand, he's very comfortable. He's just way older than her.
How much older?
25 years, Dad.
25? Who is that?
Come on, open the door for us, oh.
Ah, mommy.
Eh?
Akoni.
Akoni. Omola. Omoregbe. Where are my children?
They are inside the room, ma.
Ah, okay.
Oh.
Thank God.
Rama.
Oh. This is Adun.
Yes.
Second daughter of my friend Labake.
Okay.
Do you remember her?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Anyway, she's Adun. She teaches at community grammar school.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you very much, sir.
You see, all the village boys, they don't allow her to rest.
Mama.
I can see the reason why.
She's educated and she cannot just chip in herself to those village boys.
True. But if they have potentials, see where I've gotten, and I'm from the village myself.
Exactly. Well, she's here and we are all here to enjoy our stay.
Definitely. Definitely.
Afola Shademi.
Yes, ma.
What do you have for me? I want to eat.
Rest. We've been waiting for your Efori Roma.
Oh!
Mommy, you still have it.
Ma.
It is as tasty as I can remember.
Yes, this is the best effort I've ever tasted.
Well, thanks to Admo, she was the one who did everything. Me, I'm just gisting with her.
Thanks, Adam.
You're welcome, sir.
Sumbo,
Ma.
I will be going to my friend's house tomorrow just to stay with them, but I won't be long. But you, Adam, you will stay here. I know you have a better company with them than my friend and I.
I'm going to miss you, Mama.
No problem at all.
Thank you.
Anyone who can cook this good
Eh.
is welcome in our house. That's a nice book.
Oh, thank you, sir.
I wouldn't have taught you for a Chimamanda reading type.
Why? I look more the Amos Tutuola type.
No, not like that. One will think you are more of romantic novel reading type than stuff like this.
Oh, no. I don't believe in those. They give you an unrealistic opinion about life and romance.
Wow. Still waters do run deep. There's a lot of wit behind your calm exterior.
It's like a banana, sir. You have to remove the peel to get the best part.
Yeah.
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Please excuse me.
Okay. Who's that?
Adu. She came from the village with her mama.
Oh, Mama is around?
Yeah, she went out to see her friend. She'll be back tomorrow.
Oh, so you are all alone with that village. What? Should I give you space?
For
Something.
something.
Yeah.
What is something?
You know now, what's wrong with you? Something.
Nah. Only I'm not into things like that.
So what you're saying now is, I'm free to chase her?
Be my guest. Tima Mama care more than you know.
Look now, Mama is my embassy now. I know how to twist and deal with her.
Okay, yo.
Village. Village babes are very sweet. Sweet! Die!
Omi, what's wrong? Are you okay?
Not really. This assignment is giving me lots of stress.
What subject is that?
Mathematics. Oh.
Okay, let me see.
I think this question, I think is wrong.
Okay. There you are. That's the answer.
How did you do it?
I graduated in maths and statistics before I went to teach.
Oh, wow.
Now, this is how to approach any equation anytime you want to do it.
Okay.
You solve it like this. X squared plus y squared equals to x plus y.
I'm growing fat though.
You're fat.
Anyways, I like Auntie Adon. You know, she is so smart.
Well, I don't know about smart, but she's a great cook.
And she's also smart too. You need to see the way she helped me with my homework. Ha!
Well, I help you with your homework too, so I'm smart.
You helped me with English and all of that. But this was serious mathematics. If you see the way she went through it like it was nothing. No, I like having her around though.
Oh well, as long as she keeps cooking the way she does, I have no problem with her. Hello, girls.
Hi.
Food is ready.
Thank you. We'll be right there soon.
Okay, I'll be expecting you, babes. I'm in paradise. Now I love this house better.
G.
Oh, he's not in.
Oh. In that case, I'll wait for him.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you very much. So, I hope you've been enjoying your stay here.
Very well, sir. Thank you.
No. Please, don't use sir for me. I'm not as old as you think I am.
Okay, sir.
Oh, there you go again. It's all right. You'll get used to it. So, have you gone out since you arrived? Maybe to watch a film or go clubbing?
No, sir.
Really? All right, then. Maybe I should just take you out. We go watch a film or two, then we go clubbing afterwards.
Thank you so much. I'm okay just reading my novels.
Oh, come on, don't say that again. What do you mean? How can you come to the city and not experience the city? You know, what we have to say to people back in the village when you get back there? See, let city dwellers like us open your eyes to the pleasure of modern day existence.
But, sir, I don't think Mr. Sumbo will like this.
Oh, come on, don't bother yourself about Sumbo. I already have his approval. Yeah.
Congrats to the two of you then.
Babe, come on. What's wrong?
Excuse me! Stop! Now! For your information, I attended the prestigious Queen's College, Yaba, and the world-renowned University of Lagos. So, I am not some naive village girl waiting for a broke ass like you to come liberate us socially. Excuse me.
Did she just call me a broke ass? Oh, no. What insolence? Okay, I know. I indulged her. You just wait for Sumbo to come back. I'm sure he will deal with you. You don't call me a broke ass.
Oh.
Hey, how are you?
Fine, sir. Welcome.
What have you been up to?
Just reading.
Adu, what's wrong? Talk to me, what's wrong?
Why did you give your friend approval to make passes at me?
What are you talking about? What friend?
Your friend, Mr. Kunle. He came here today and started asking me out. And when I told him that you wouldn't like it when you come back, he said he already had your permission.
Oh, I'm sorry. It twisted my words. I don't mind Kunle. It's just a goat. I'm sorry. What was all that, Biodun?
What do you mean?
Why were you disturbing her? And why were you lying to her that I gave you permission to toast her?
But you did.
No, I didn't. You only twisted my words so that you can harass the poor girl.
Who is the poor girl? That girl? See, she's a very smart one. She has more sense than both of us put together. She can sell us.
So you are now maligning her because she rebuffed you?
Oh no, I'm only telling you the truth. That girl is not the dons she pretends to be.
Keep your distance from her. Have you heard?
Wait a minute. Oh my God, why did it click all this while? You like that girl, don't you?
Okay, yes. So I don't want you near her because your intentions are not honorable.
Oh, and yours are?
Certainly.
Well, anyway, that's not the point. Do you know that that girl insulted me?
She did?
Yes, she called me a broke ass.
Agbaya, when you not stop toasting small girls in my house?
That's what you say, Abi?
Agbaya.
Well done. Okay. Okay.
So you girls don't mind?
Not at all, Dad. As long as she can make you happy.
And she's a great cook.
And my maths is going to improve.
Where did I get such selfish daughters from? No more
Daddy, can I go now? I want to iron my uniform.
Yes, you all can go. That's what I wanted to tell you about.
Okay, Daddy.
I hope I won't have to call her mommy.
No, Tayo. Not if you don't want to.
Okay, Dad.
You were right, Mama. See, our time alone together has made him start noticing me. He even held my hand affectionately today. Yes, so Mama. Even I didn't know I could cook so well. No, Mama, don't come back here too. Just give us like a day or two. Let him kiss me first. So after that, I'm sure he will propose to me. Yes. All right, Mama. I will. Bye, Mama. Thank you. Mama. Hello, Salami. I'm fine, thank you. Anyway, I'm just calling to inform you that I have found my own husband, and please stop calling my phone. What do you mean by just like that? Is it by force? I said you should stop calling me. See, there is nothing in you that I'm interested in anymore. Kini. What? Come back to what village? Hey, you must be a joker. Yes. See, you better respect yourself and stick to your kind. Excuse me. Nonsense. Rubbish. Me. Hey, Mrs. Adu Sumbo Shadare. Hey, perfect. Ha! Manga.
Come in. Oh, please come in.
I'm sorry to disturb you.
Mama said I should give you a message. Then aside that, I want to be sure you're very okay before I go to bed.
Yes, I'm fine. Thanks.
I'm so sorry to interrupt you. Can you give us a few minutes, please? We'd like to speak to our father.
Okay.
What was all that for?
You have no idea.
Who is that? Mommy.
What is this emergency call? What happened?
Mommy, let's go into my room. Let's go into my room.
See, Sumbo, this is a better one. Sumbo. What's wrong with you?
Nothing. Where were we?
Are you sure you're okay? Yes. You've been acting funny things.
No, I'm okay.
We are ready to go.
Yeah, Mama, how are you going, man?
There is a taxi outside.
Let me escort you.
Thank you.
Let me help you with it, man.
I'm very sorry about everything. Bye-bye.
You really liked her a lot, didn't you? I still think you should have overlooked everything.
No, Kone. Whatever starts with a lie ends as a lie.